Hey guys, Brent here from Adam again. So I wanted to talk to you today about retirement accounts and how they're divided in a divorce case. So the question is, what is a QDRO? So QDRO, QDRO, is an acronym and it stands for Qualified Domestic Relations Order. So a QDRO is going to be done in your divorce case if you have what's known as a qualified account. So qualified accounts typically are going to be a pension plan or a 401k, 403b. Those are the most common types of qualified retirement plans. There are other ones. But basically, a qualified plan, I'll give you an example. Let's say you're getting divorced, you've been married 25 years, and you work for state of Michigan, and you have a pension plan, what's also known as a defined benefit plan. So this defined benefit plan, this pension plan, is going to pay you X amount of money per month at retirement age for the rest of your life. So in your divorce case, that's an asset and it's going to be divided. So probably, in all likelihood, your wife will get half of that pension in your divorce, you'll get the other half. So that needs to be set up through a court order. The judgment of divorce will not be enough to divide that account and comply with ERISA and the regulations required to divide pensions or other types of retirement accounts. A Qualified Domestic Relations Order, a QDRO, or there's also EDROs, Eligible Domestic Relations Orders. So basically paperwork's going to need to be done that complies with regulations and will allow the pension to be properly divided. So just because your judgment of divorce says that your wife gets half the pension, that alone will not give her half the pension. There needs to be separate documents. There needs to be a separate court order prepared by an expert that will divide that pension. So in this case, a QDRO or an EDRO will divide the pension. It'll have all the details about who gets what and how all that works, what the beneficiaries are, surviving spouse, and all these other types of issues that come up with pension plans. Same thing is true if you have what's known as a defined contribution plan. So a defined contribution plan would be typically a 401k or 403b. So defined contribution, and it's called that because how much you contribute is a specific amount. So you're putting in $200 per pay period to a 401k or 403b. That's a defined amount you're contributing, defined contribution plan. Those also are divided by QDROs. A judgment of divorce alone saying that somebody gets part of your 401k is not enough to actually get them the money and have that all happen. There needs to be a separate court order drafted by an expert that will divide that retirement account. So basically, when someone's talking about QDROs or EDROs, it's just legal jargon. They're acronyms for court orders that are used as part of the divorce process to divide retirement accounts. So I hope that helps. Gives you some, at least, high-level view of what someone's talking about when retirement accounts are being divided in a divorce and they're talking about court orders like QDROs. Any questions, of course, give me a call, the phone number, or send me an email. Phone number, email appear at the end of this video. And of course, as always, click like. Please subscribe to the video if you know anybody that you think it would help. Send them the video or give them the channel.